Hey guys, Jess Star here with the Star team at LPT Realty, standing outside our beautiful new listing. This is 1 Fairfield Lane in Simsbury, Connecticut. It's a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath colonial. It's got a great floor plan here. You're going to absolutely love it. Wonderful, huge family room that is just outside the eat-in kitchen. Great dining space, living area on the first floor. It's got a first floor washer and dryer, about 300 square feet in the partially finished lower level. The primary suite features a huge walk-in closet, ensuite primary bath. It's got central air, new in 2017, insulated Roth oil tank. It's located in a quiet neighborhood in the Squadron Line Elementary School district, right near McLean Game Refuge, and so many wonderful things. You're not going to want to miss this house. These sellers say sell. It's priced to move. A great way to get into Simsbury, one of the best towns located here in Connecticut. All the top-ranked schools here too. Give us a call, 860-325-2484, or visit us on our website at starteam.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.